In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start project time in Zoho Books. We'll walk through a simple process that helps you accurately track the time you spend on your projects. This is really useful if you bill clients based on hours worked, or if you just want to keep a clear record of how much time each project is taking. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different sections for your accounting features. In that menu, find and click on Time Tracking. This is the area in Zoho Books dedicated to logging and managing all your time entries, so everything related to tracking hours will start from here. Once you click Time Tracking, you'll be taken to a page where you can manage different time-related items. Within this section, look for the option labeled Projects. Go ahead and click on Projects. This will open a list of all the projects that have been set up in your Zoho Books account. If your list is long, you may want to scroll or use any available filters or search bar to quickly find the specific project you're working on. After you've located the right project, make sure it is selected or that you have its details open on your screen. At the top right area of the page, you should see a button labeled Start. This button is used to begin tracking time for the project. Click on Start to begin recording your project time. Once you click Start, Zoho Books will begin timing your work session in the background. From this point on, you can continue working on your tasks as normal while the timer runs. When you're done working, you would typically come back to the same area to stop the timer and save the time entry, but for now, the key action is simply knowing where to click to start that timer. A quick tip: before you begin, it's a good idea to confirm that you're starting time on the correct project, especially if you handle multiple clients or ongoing jobs. Keeping your time entries associated with the right project will make your billing and reporting much cleaner and easier later on. And that's all there is to it. Go to Time Tracking, open Projects, and click Start at the upper right to begin tracking your project time in Zoho Books.